All the 90 members of the 7th-term Legislative Council of China's Hong Kong Special Administrative Region have been elected. Sunday's Leg co-election was the first since improvements were made to the Hong Kong SAR electoral system. The improvements fully implement the principle of patriots administering Hong Kong. A Kenyan expert said the Leg co-election is broadly represented, and patriots being elected to govern the Hong Kong SAR will be positive for the city's future.
I think the new mode of electoral system in Hong Kong is self-evident. We have seen that, unlike previously, now you have people electing people who they believe in and people who have a track record of performance. So I think this is bringing a lot of broad representation, since people are drawn from all around the districts of Hong Kong. The people being elected are people who believe in the one country, two systems mode of governance. Is very critical for the future survival of Hong Kong. First of all, we must ask ourselves, what does Hong Kong need? Hong Kong does not need chaos. What Hong Kong needs is economic development and political stability. And therefore, it is the system that is going to bring these two things together that is going to be of importance or to be of benefit to Hong Kong. So I believe that the new system or the new electoral system is going to bring Hong Kong to a place where it will have a comprehensive, governance system and lead to more development. The fact that it is patriots who are being elected definitely is positive for Hong Kong Special Administrative Region, because they are going to ensure that they deliver the mandate for the people, not for a few, let's say, interested parties or a few powerful entities. So it is for the overall good of Hong Kong and definitely for the whole of the Chinese, motherland, that this mode of electoral governance is going to bring in new leaders that can deliver the necessary goods.